Okay, so I'm driving down Bonita Beach. This is where they're starting to clean up from the hurricane here a little bit. And there's just all kinds of stuff piled up out here at the streets. Most of these newer houses fared pretty well, but some of the older ones had some substantial damage. I saw one that actually is just like fell down. A lot of roof structures, blew off. Kind of wild. Looks like a war zone down here. And there's still new construction going on. Hey, guys are having fun. We're seeing some scrappers out here, people, grabbing some of this stuff, aluminum and stuff like that. I saw people walking with carts with like appliances and stuff that they scavenged up somewhere, but all this stuff's been saltwater damaged, so it's no good really. Hold on there, fella. Alright. Yeah, wild. Right? Okay, look, if you can see these trees over here, and from what I can estimate, about 10 or 12 feet up in the air is where the debris, like where the water washed through here and put like little pieces of trash, so you can see where the high water mark was. Oh, you can see it down here a little bit. You see the stuff up in the trees. Well, maybe it's only about 8 or 10 feet there. Unbelievable. Some more debris over here. There was cabanas all over there. They're gone. Like I said, the more modern buildings, the bottom floor is washed out, which is the way they're designed. They're made to be. They call them breakaway walls. They're supposed to wash out, and that preserves the rest of the structure. But yeah, crazy stuff. Here's some more of the. You can see where the water, just embedded stuff up in those trees and everything. This is Bonita Beach, Florida. Some of the aftermath and cleanup from the Hurricane Ian, I guess you say it, I-A-N. Wow. Foundation. Just the foundation left on that house. Kind of wild. There's one that missing a bunch of siding. Oh, and there's vehicles. They're steadily pulling vehicles out of here. Like you'll see them in the most unlikely spots, just, in between a house, it's weird. Guys doing some cleanup with some bobcats around here trying to get some sand. So we have a job out here. We've been talking to the folks about remodeling for about 6 months. Look at that place, all blown apart. We've been talking to them for about 6 months, and we're doing designs and exploring different options. They wanted to add a 4th floor on the house, but now we're just going to remodel and add a pool, a 2nd-story pool, swimming pool. But anyway, so we were up here to look at his place. More stuff up in the trees there. We were up here to look at his place to see how we could help him out with getting the debris out of here and demo of the breakaway. There's a car just boom damaged, So anyway, we were looking at that this morning, and we're going to be helping him out. But there is going to be so much rebuilding going on here. This is going to take several years, in my guess, to get all this done. It's amazing how much work's been done here, but it's basically just demo. pulling crap out and stacking it up at the street. But when we start rebuilding, there was already a shortage of material and problems, you know, being able to get supplies, and it's gonna be worse, you know, is with this. Anyway, that's all I got. This is Don DeFlavis, Don DeFlavis Construction.